The error 503 backend max conn reached message on Ticketmaster is one of the most frustrating errors users encounter during high-demand ticket sales. This error indicates that Ticketmaster servers have reached their maximum connection limit and are temporarily overloaded. This is a server-side error, which means the problem is not on your end, but rather with Ticketmaster's backend infrastructure. When you see this message, it means their servers simply cannot handle any more simultaneous connections. This issue has become increasingly common during high-demand ticket sales for popular artists like Taylor Swift and major sporting events. The massive influx of users trying to access Ticketmaster simultaneously overwhelms their server capacity. One of the main root causes is connection pool exhaustion. Ticketmaster uses connection pools to manage database connections efficiently. However, when too many users try to connect at once, these pools become exhausted, leading to the 503 error. The main root causes of this error include traffic surges during popular sales, limited server capacity relative to demand, exhausted connection pools between load balancers and back-end servers, and database bottlenecks when too many queries hit the database simultaneously. When this error occurs, users experience significant frustration, lost queue positions after waiting for hours, and the inability to complete purchases during critical sale windows. This creates a poor user experience and can result in missed opportunities to purchase desired tickets. Understanding that error 503 backend max conn reached is a server-side issue helps users realize that the problem lies with Ticketmaster's infrastructure capacity, not their own internet connection or device. This knowledge is the first step in knowing how to respond when encountering this error. While you cannot directly fix Ticketmaster's server overload, there are several proven strategies to improve your chances of successfully purchasing tickets. Let's start with proper refresh techniques. Browser optimization is crucial for avoiding connection issues. Your browser's cache and extensions can interfere with ticket purchasing, so proper cleanup is essential. Browser extensions can significantly slow down your connection and interfere with Ticketmaster's systems. Here's how to disable them properly. Network adjustments can help you route around congested servers. Switching your connection type or using a VPN can provide alternative pathways to Ticketmaster's servers. Advanced users should employ multiple access points. The mobile app often has better performance than the website, and partner sites can provide alternative purchasing routes. Finally, timing is everything when dealing with high-demand ticket sales. Strategic preparation and monitoring can make the difference between success and disappointment. Remember, these solutions work together most effectively. Combine proper refresh techniques with browser optimization, network adjustments, and strategic timing for the best chance of ticket purchasing success.